Hello friends, let's learn how to add any MP3 clip in your video in Clipchamp. If you don't know Clipchamp, let me tell you a little bit. The Clipchamp is a free video editor which comes with Microsoft Windows. You can watch my videos about Clipchamp. There is a complete playlist of it in which I have given a brief introduction about the Clipchamp and I have also explained some of the tips and tricks which are very necessary for the beginners to know to create their own videos. Okay, let's start today's video. Open your video in which you want to add the MP3 file, any sound, any audio. As you know, there are unlimited free audio files available in Clipchamp. So there is an option that you can upload any of the MP3 file which you already have in your computer, or if you have your favorite MP3 files in your computer, you can easily import it in the your media section. Click on your media, click on the import media and select the file that you want to add in the video. Suppose this one I want to add. I just open it. It is here. Now I can add it in my this video. Let's start it. This is my one of the video which I'm just going to upload tomorrow, and it is about the 10 keywords and hidden elements of the Canva that you can use to create beautiful amazing posts for your social media or for yourself. I will give the link of this video in the description and in the I button also. So if you like, you can watch this. I'm going to add this clip in my video. It is that simple. We can change its volume. Observe that it is a complete song. And I don't want this song to be inserted here. I just want this much music only. What I do, let's zoom it and I will select the music part only. So select that, select your music file, press S from the keyboard and delete this portion. Now listen it again. It is only the music now. You can also change the volume of the song. You can also change the volume because you can observe it's a little bit loud. Select the sound MP4 file, click on the audio. Here it is given. Just drag it to your desired level. Okay. So in this way you can add other sound clips that you want to add in your videos. If you like the video, hit the thumbs up button, subscribe my channel and also share it with your friends and family. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.